Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello.
Hello everyone, hope you all are good and safe at home. Welcome back to the educational channel. Dear students, today we are going to study about new poem that is called The Pool and the Tree and the Pool. Unit 9, the poem The Tree and the Pool. Let us see who is the poet. This poem was written by Brain Pather. So, in this video we are going to study all about the reading the poem, explanation, new words about the poet and theme of the poem. We are going to study in this video all about the poem 9, The Tree and the Pole. So, before going to start, here you can see about the poet. This poem was written by Brain Pather. Look at the picture of the poet. And he was born on 7th February 1946 in United Kingdom. And he has written many books and he was very famous author, poet. So here I have mentioned two books, Vanishing Trick and another one, Little Johnny's Confusion. And another one, we are going to study that poem, The Tree and the Pool. So this is the brief information about the poet Brain Pather. So here you can see the meaning of list, meaning of new words list. Sombre, sombre man, it means very dark, very gloomy or very cheerless, cheerless man, very sad man, cheerless man, not curious, not excited, not active man. Sombre means very cheerless man, gloomy man. Nip tide, it means a low tide with least rise and fall. It normally occurs soon after the first and third quarter of the moon. So here neap time it means ubbara vilita. Ubbara vilita. Look at the picture. So it occurs means it happen when the first quarter moon and third quarter moon. So that moments we can call neap tide. Vipirita Ubbaravilita. And its opposite word, opposite place, spring tide. Spring tide means which was the full moon and new moon and full moon. So that is called, it is the opposite of neap tide is spring tide. I hope you understood. So that moment, neap tide moment occurs soon after the first and third quarter of the moon, means rotation on the earth, is it? So that murmur, it means to speak in a low voice. Now here it means somewhere. Somewhere means somewhere. Something place onwards, it's coming somewhere. Is it? I hope you understood. Now here you can see our poem, The Tree and the Pool. So listen carefully. I don't want my leaves to drop, said the tree. I don't want freeze, said the pool. I don't want to smile, said the sombre man. Or ever to cry, said the pool, said the fool. I don't want to open, said the bird. I don't want end, said the night. I don't want to rise, said the neap tide. Or ever to fall, said the kite. They wished and they murmured and whispered. They said that to change was a crime. Then a voice from nowhere, now here, answered, "You must do what I say," said time. In this poem, the poet was saying that the mode of the poem is tolerance with the nature. It is the time which has brought changes in everything. So here everything, every people, everybody, they don't want to do as per time, as per season. So they are refusing to do what you have to do as per the time. For example, the seasons, winter season, summer season and spring season. So if the trees, for example, you have to take trees, the trees will drop the leaves in the summer season, and in the winter, spring, again they have to change as per season. Is it? As a season wise they have to change. So here the trees don't want to drop the leaves. So likewise the pool. Here look at the picture. The pool also don't want to freeze. Freeze means that one don't want. And the sombre man. Here sombre man means very cheerless man. Means very gloomy, who are become sad. So he don't want to smile. And the fool man don't want to cry. See here the total meaning, what means. So those people who want, they have to, they must change as per the time, as per the situation, which nature has to give them to change. They don't want to change. That is the main point of this poem. They don't have a choice. They have to accept with nature, with time, with season. Is it? And next stanza, I don't want to open, said the bird. So look at the picture here. Bird means, look at the picture, a small fool before going to bloom. Is it? So that bird also don't want to open those flower petals. Is it? Those petals don't want to open. And the night said that I don't want to end that day. And nip tide, as before I said you, nip tide, this is a one time that is echoes first quarter time and to moving to first quarter time to third quarter time. So here the moon also don't want to raise. The moon don't want to raise. Look at here, from first quarter to third quarter. Is it? And the kite, look at the picture. The kite don't want to fall down. Always the kite want to fly in the air. But if the air was less, then it must fall down. Is it? So here totally they are refusing to do as per the situation, following the situation, don't want to follow the time, don't want to follow the situation, and don't want to do the changes what they have to make. So here they wished and they murmured and whispered. They said that to change was a crime. Then a voice from now here answered, "You must do what I say," said time. So here murmur means to speak low voice, and they whispered, telling slowly their wish. They are telling their wish. So these are refusing to do their wish. They don't want to do those, but they don't have a choice. They don't have any choice, so they must do what the situation said, what the time to say them. So that they are telling that the changes was totally crime. It's a crime to changing ourselves. So, but we have to change, is it? We did not want to change, but the time situation will be made to change, is it? So here the time, then when they are telling their wish, the time answered. Look at the time clock answered, "You must do what I say," said time. So this is the brief information about the poem The Tree and the Pool. This was written by Brian Pathel. It's a very nice poem. And also it's a very meaningful poem, is it? So here we too also following the time. We don't have a choice, is it? We have to do. We must do what the time said. Instruct to me and instruct to them, instruct to us. We have to do that one. I hope you understood this poem. Now take down the homework, write the poem, meaning of new words, and about the poet in English notebook one time and read the poem. Is it clear? Okay, we will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you, my dear students.